Have you ever found yourself tangled in the complexities of object-oriented programming? It can be quite a puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a specific question about calling a child class method from a parent class method. I totally get it. Trying to understand how methods interact in inheritance can be confusing. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with class hierarchies. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, if I create an object of class B, can the function x from class A access the function y from class B? This is a great question and one that many programmers ponder. Let's explore this together. To understand this, we need to look at how inheritance works in object-oriented programming. When class B extends class A, it inherits all the methods from A. However, the method x in class A is not aware of the specific implementation of y in class B unless it's called from an instance of B. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you master object-oriented programming concepts even faster. To address the user's question, we need to understand how method calls work in inheritance. When the user creates an object of class B, they can call method x, which is defined in class A. Inside method x, there is a call to method y. Since method y is defined in class B, it can be accessed when the object of class B is used. This is due to polymorphism in object-oriented programming. To illustrate this, let's look at an example. When the user creates an instance of class B and calls method x, method y will execute as part of the call from method x. In summary, the user can indeed call method y from method x when using an object of class B. This demonstrates the power of inheritance and method overriding in object-oriented programming. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of object-oriented programming was inspired by the way humans interact with the world? Just like we inherit traits from our parents, classes inherit properties from their parent classes. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that calling a child class method from a parent class method is possible only if the parent class has a method with the same signature. If not, the parent class cannot access the child class method. They propose two solutions: implementing the method in the parent class or using an abstract method. However, they caution that the first solution may lead to a method that does nothing, while the second solution could prevent instantiation of the parent class. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to check if a method is overridden in the child class. This will save you a lot of headaches when debugging your code. And there you have it. You now understand how to call a child class method from a parent class method. Keep practicing and you'll become a pro at object-oriented programming in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks.